So today, magluluto tayo ng adobo flakes, chicken adobo flakes. Napangiti ako dyan sa sarap, so let's just do this. First, mag-boil tayo ng water, tas add in some chicken bouillon or chicken cubes. Add in some white onion and garlic and peppercorns, tapos mix nyo lang. Bring it to a boil, add in your chicken breast. Make sure bone in kasi mas malasa talaga pag bone in. Tapos ganituhin nyo lang, shred the chicken. Yung meat, ayan. Huwag nyo include yung bones tsaka yung skin ha. And now, mag-isa lang tayo ng sibuyas tsaka bawang, garlic. Yeah. Tapos add in the chicken breast, yung shredded chicken. Tapos timplahan lang natin to with some soy sauce, nor seasoning, and vinegar. Tinimplahan ko muna bago lagyan ng matika para mas malasa talaga yung manok natin. So, ayun, deep fry nyo lang or fry nyo until mag-golden brown or mag-crispy siya. Add in some pepper. Supposedly, mas masarap to kung may